everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you this pretty cool iPad cover my husband just got. This Apple Smart Keyboard Folio, it's sleek, it's stylish, and it's super easy to attach. My husband loves the minimalist look, the simplicity of it, and the fact that it has a keyboard. He also appreciates that this is not bulky at all. This is super easy to work with too. You just attach your iPad, and since it's magnetic, it automatically sticks to it. He loves the fact that he can switch between two convenient viewing angles. Another plus is where you have the camera, you're gonna see that the case, it's raised. That way it protects your camera from scratches or breaking. He totally loves this. This is thin, this is lightweight, this is super comfortable. This is ideal for whatever you're doing and great for typing on the keyboard rather than on the screen. This Apple Smart Keyboard Folio is sleek, it's stylish, and it's super easy to set up, but that's just our point of view.